From the Gateway of India to the India Gate in Delhi, ET Now's reporting team has travelled all the way to get you ground reports as the phase 6 of the Indian general elections is underway at this point. Of course, as we know, there are 58 constituencies and 7 states as well as union territories, including West Bengal, Haryana, UP, Jharkhand, Odisha, as well as Delhi. Now, as far as Delhi is concerned, we were stationed at Delhi's Adarsh Vidyalaya, and a lot of HNIs as well as billionaires from Delhi side have arrived since this morning. In fact, we also saw Minister Jai Shankar casting his vote. Apart from that, other key ministers who will be casting their vote or have already cast their vote at all the booths in Delhi include, of course, Rahul Gandhi, Menka Gandhi, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, Hardeep Singh Puri, so on and so forth. As far as the prominent business leaders and HNIs are concerned, we saw at the Adarsh Vidyalaya booth, we saw Rajan Bharti Mittal, we saw the Vice Chairman of JK Paper, Mr. Singhania, also at that particular booth. Apart from that, we also spoke to Rajan Bharti Mittal, we also spoke to Ratan Jindal as well as Abhyudaya Jindal. So those were the names who did cast their vote and exercise their right as a voter. And as we speak, we are at Kartavya Path. So I hope that and urge most youngsters, the voter turnout actually has been quite low. We've seen senior citizens above the age of even 90 who have been able to manage and cast their vote. The only hope is that more youngsters and first-time voters do exercise their kartavya, as I am at Kartavya Path today, and go there and vote.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.